Hello guys, how are you doing? So in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to back up your messages on Facebook Messenger. So this is quite simple. Just ensure you follow this step by step, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you got value. So for you to do this, just come over to where you have this menu button down here. Once you click on that, then come over to where you have settings. So once you're in your setting like this, then you have to scroll down till you find privacy and safety. So click on privacy and safety. Right here, scroll down again till you find end-to-end encrypted chats. Can you see that? So click on end-to-end encrypted chats. Then you can see you have message storage. Manage how you store and access your chat history. Can you see that? So click on that. You can see right here, the last time my message was backed up was 21st of July. Can you see? By 10 p.m. That was yesterday. So right here it says how you sync your chat history. So if you want your chat history to always get saved to your Google Drive, just now, like each time they should be saved to your Google Drive, then you come right here and turn this on. But then if you want to like start getting your chat history backed up, come over to where you have these more options, and right here ensure you turn this on so that every time it will auto sync by itself. So that's basically it about how you can back up your chat history. So whenever you lose your messenger and you want to like re-download the application, once you have this turned on, then it will always ask you if you want to like recover all your backed up messages. So that's basically how you go about backing up your messages on Messenger. So I believe you got value watching this video. If you did, do it to like the video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.